into my eyes and show me your adventures I haven't seen. Taking all the life, it hits the spot. Walking on fantasy. So take me, baby, take me to a state of mind that's made of, baby, that's made of all that we find.
So my friends, let me take you to that side. You can see there is some rocks, and also you can see the beautiful sunset from there. Okay, so let me take you to that side and I will shoot that area. So just come with me.
Test the waters, ooh, it's high. I think we're getting close. Racing through the waves, I want to be where nobody knows.
Let me take you. Let me show you this place.
Baby, take me to a state of mind that's made of, baby, that's made of all that we find. Electric, feel it in your hands. Hypnotic, watch your body stand. Happiness, this is where we stand.
So guys, almost there. Now please comment and just let me know whether you like this place or not. Seriously, in my life I have never seen the place where this much of empty. It's absolutely empty. You see, right? No people, nothing. And oh my god, look at this. So please make a comment and just tell me that whether you like it or not. See the place. So after some time I will see the sunset. Before that I need to fly my drone. So now I am going to my first place. Let me show you that place also. So I have come from that place, and that is my resort. So I have to go over there to fly my drone. And guys, check this out. now this is the sunset time. You can see, right, the darkness is going on. So guys, as you know, today is my last day over here. Tomorrow I'll be a new place, so maybe I'll do some good videos for you. So guys, please keep watching my video. If you like my channel, subscribe it. And there are many places in our world, so don't stop traveling. Keep traveling, enjoy your life, and be with me always. I am signing out. Bye bye. Take care, guys.